Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Devin Williams. What's happening right now? So you guys put out your background. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Devin Williams. This is ticket 398005, no operator's license on person. Ticket SP 1237079, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1259373, drove while license suspended. And then Attorney Brock. Mr. Williams, I need you to, okay, turn off whatever it is. It's real loud in my computer here. Okay? Then I have two tickets. Yes.
Sure.
Huh? I can't hear you because he has so much background. Turn it off, Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, I'm gonna call you in a moment when you get everything under control. Okay, I'm gonna call you back in here. Get everything taken care of, and I'll be back.
Jeez.
Loud. It's too loud. It's too loud. What you doing? Mr. Williams? There.
Yes.
Where you at? Why is it so much like heavy noise? Where are you in a room or something?
Yes, I was trying to take care. I work from home, so I had two phones. So
Okay, you can't do the work from home right now. You gotta give us a second. It sounds much better. I'm gonna call it right now, okay?
okay.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Devin Bernard Williams. This is ticket number SP 1237078. This is one count, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, no proof of insurance. I believe these are the tickets you were talking about, Attorney Balkman, that are in default. Ticket SP 1258953, 31 miles plus over speed. Also calling tickets number SP 1259373, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1237079, drove while license suspended. And ticket 398005, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
All Faulkner representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
Devon Williams.
Your Honor, I have 3 cases that's listed on the docket, and he would
Right.
plead guilty to failure to display
Okay.
on
That's
one
fine.
with driving.
And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave those other tickets in default because there's 21 cases and I don't know why he didn't deal with them. So you want to take advantage of that plea though, to plead to one of these counts as no failure to display, sir?
Correct. Yes.
All right. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney, Attorney Faulkner, about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today besides what I said on the record, right?
Right.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 7th of 2021. Sir, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Grand River and Marina Streets in the city of Detroit? Marine Streets or something?
Yes.
And while you're driving it, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge, failed to display. The remaining 2 counts called on this record, with the exception of the civil infractions, will be dismissed. I'm not gonna assess you any additional fines and costs, because with these tickets, you ended up getting some civil infractions that you need to pay. And you need to slow down, Mr. Williams.
Okay, so I'm trying to get everything from 36 district clean. So what do I have to do?
You have to pay those tickets. Because they're from 2021, and you never came to take care of them. So you gotta pay those tickets.
How many tickets I have?
So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets. You have a 31 mile plus over posted speed. You have a 16 to 20 mile per hour over speed, and expired plates, and a no proof of insurance. Attorney Faulkner, since we have a little extra time, if you would like to reach out to Attorney Snyder and see if she's willing to do something with the 2021 case, I'll entertain it today.
Willing to, she's in Judge 434, Perkins.
Perkins, okay.
She told us to call her if we need her. I don't have her number, but
Okay, let me see if I can get her. We'll see if we can try and help you a little bit, Mr. Williams, but this is why it's so important for you to come to court when you're supposed to come to court.
I understand.
All right, hold tight. Hi, Attorney Snyder, how you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. So we have Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams has some older tickets, some older speeding tickets from 2021. He has a 31 mile plus, a 16 to 20 mile expired plates, and a no proof of insurance. They're all in default. You can talk to Attorney Faulkner, try and figure out if you need him to come back, but I know he's trying to clean up his record. So if we could try and work something out so that he doesn't have as many situations on his record.
Let me just see what my original offer was. Devon Williams.
It was an FTD because he just had 3. The other ones weren't on the docket. He just had the 3 misdemeanors on my docket today, all driving license situations.
I would do with him, I would keep the FTD. You said there was an expired plate? Is that one?
Yeah,
It was an expired plate.
Yeah, I'll do FTD, expired plate, and let's do a limited access 11 to 15 over, and then let him go with everything else.
Is it only 2 years on the record before it's off?
I think so.
Oh, well, then you see,
Yeah.
just need to pay these tickets then.
Yeah.
Just pay them, sir.
And
Okay.
I guess I'll dismiss everything with just the 1 FTD, since he
Okay.
owes that.
We already did that then. All right, fantastic. All right, you hear that, Mr. Williams? We did that. She's gonna dismiss it. So I still want him to pay some of this stuff.
Hold up. Let me say something. So what do I owe now?
That's the real question. Okay, Attorney Snyder, let me ask this. If I fine him for the FTD, like you said, all these points have already, because it's been 2 years, they've already been taken care of. Is that good enough to fine him for the FTD and dismiss the rest, or, okay?
I think that's fair, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm gonna fine you $200. No, I'm gonna fine you $300 because you ain't come back. $300. That ain't that much more. With all those other tickets, you would have been looking to pay way more. One of those tickets by itself is $195. So.
All right, cool. So once I pay this $300, right, that means my name good in 36.
That's right. That'll be all your tickets. Good.
All right, that's
good.
cool. That's cool.
No, he ain't pay those. That's right. No, we're gonna dismiss him. Yeah. All right, $300. How long do you need? 30 or 60 days?
Let me do 60 to be safe, because all I gotta do is pay you guys $300 and I'm about my way, right?
About your way.
Okay, cool.
Unless you have any reinstatement fees. Now, I can't waive those, and sometimes they're extra, okay? So I'll give you until December 4th, 2023. Back on the record, in the matter of the people versus Devin Williams, thank you, Dante. We did have an opportunity to discuss this matter with the assistant prosecuting attorney who has been more than generous with you, Mr. Williams, okay? Because the points have been on your license, they already been there, ain't nothing you can do, we've surpassed that date and time, so they'll go off at some point in time. But you got a ton of points from those 2 speeding tickets because you never came to court. You can't do that, you have to show up even if you don't want to, okay?
I understand.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna charge you a $300 fine for the fail to display. The remaining counts will be dismissed, okay?
Will I get anything in the mail?
You won't, so you can either physically come down to 36th District Court to take care of this matter, or you can go online to 36districtcourt.org and pay for them, but give us some, you can pay for them in chunks too, so maybe you have 100 next week or something, or $50. Just make sure you have it all paid by December, okay?
All right, cool. I have another question too, right? So once
Yes.
I pay this money, can I go down to Secretary of State and apply for a license? Because I'm 33 years old and I never had a license a day in my life, but I had all these cars.
You should go down and talk to them and find out what you need to do, because if you have any other outstanding tickets, they'll tell you, and then you can apply for your license. Make an appointment to do that today. You should have been applied for your license so you can find out how you can be legit out here driving a vehicle, okay?
Okay.
All right, you may have to wait a little bit because of the charge you just pled to, but that's okay. You waited all this time. Just figure out how to get your license, please and thank you.
Okay.
Okay. All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, thank you. All right.